The 2026 Mansory GLS 63 P850 is an unfiltered declaration of automotive audacity, transforming the already formidable Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 into a hyper-luxury, hyper-performance SUV that flaunts 850 horsepower, breaks away from convention, and demands attention everywhere it goes. Underneath its lavish exterior rest Mansory's hyper-performance upgrades, including a fortified ECU performance box that elevates output from the stock AMG levels up to a visceral 850 horsepower and propels its top speed to a limited but impressive 300 kilometers per hour 186 mph. Outside, the GLS makes a statement with a bespoke carbon fiber body kit replacing most front and rear air intakes, adding sculpted carbon trim on mirrors, bumpers, and a roof spoiler, redesigning the rear diffuser optionally including a third brake light, and replacing Mercedes star with Mansory insignias for an unmistakably aggressive yet refined presence. Rolling on massive 10x24 forged wheels available in gloss black custom finishes, this vehicle balances its muscular stance and rolling artistry perfectly. Stepping inside the cabin is like entering a luxury atelier. Every surface can be rewrapped in the finest bespoke leather, colored stitching to match the exterior carbon fiber accents, a sports steering wheel trimmed in leather and carbon, aluminum pedals, and floor mats embroidered with Mansory logos, all crafted to express the owner's personal vision. Performance isn't just about raw power, it's about refinement. And Mansory engineers balance the upgraded powertrain with upgraded cooling, suspension, tuning, and bespoke exhaust note to ensure the drive experience feels as exclusive as the car's design ethos. This GLS 63 P850 isn't engineered for subtlety. It's a handcrafted beast that challenges luxury norms, turning an already capable SUV into a supercar masquerading as an SUV.